A good product photo shows what something looks like. A video shows how it moves, fits, and works. So I'm going to be showing you how to get a video into your Shopify product gallery in about 2 minutes. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is to open your Shopify store. The browser actually is not going to be that hot. So inside here, I'm going to go directly into my home dashboard so we can all see where we're currently at. And then you want to scroll into the media section when you open your actual product. Into the left section that says product, I wanted to look out for the product you wanted to add the video on. Let's say, for example, you go for this lavalier microphone. So inside here, what I did is to scroll into the media section. So here you have two options here. You have the video file itself. You can click into add the media. And you can drag and drop an MP4 or a MOV file if your video already lives into YouTube, which I currently did. Let's say, for example, that I have an affiliation with an actual influencer to help me add an actual product. So in this case, I tell them to make an actual quick review for YouTube Shorts. So what I did is to go into the video, I go for share, and I have this specific link, but I can key into the option that says copy. Then here, I wanted to go for the element that says add the media, but instead of clicking it, I go for the add media from URL. This is why I just paste the actual URL and go for add the file. Just like that, it will be appearing directly inside here and hit into done. Now, the last thing you wanted to do here is that you can position this into your gallery. Your video now sits into the media grid along with the photos. You can track this where you want this appearing into the actual sequence. Let's say, for example, like this. When you finish with this element, what I do is to go for the element that says share and view as or preview, so we can take a look into how our actual product looks. As you can see, this is the main image that I currently have, but if I go for the next one, I have the actual video already been played directly inside here. So if you add an actual video itself, basically what's going to happen is that it will be looping out the actual lavalier, in this case is microphone, and you don't have to do absolutely anything at all. So what I can suggest to you is that you need to make sure that you use the actual media, because it will be much more faster and easier. People who just start by checking out here this loop of the actual video without you to having to click into play the actual video, right? So there you have it, guys. If you have any questions, you can let me know into the comments below. You can check this live, head to the storefront, and you open the actual product page. So keep uploading video files reasonably compressed. A huge file loads slowly and can drag down your whole product page, so take that in mind. So hopefully we can answer you guys next time. See you well soon.